Introducing the Smart Birdcage Monitor, tailor-made for bird enthusiasts. With its realistic birdcage design, it blends seamlessly into any bird-keeping setup, ensuring your feathered friends feel right at home. Equipped with a built-in food storage box, you can easily refill bird feed. The top-mounted solar panel provides continuous power, eliminating the need for frequent charging. Inside, multi-level perches suit birds' natural jumping habits. The 4000 camera with intelligent tracking records every activity, feeding, preening, and flying 24/7. View live footage on your phone via the app, ideal for monitoring chicks or keeping predators at bay. This monitor combines stealth, functionality, and tech, letting you stay connected with your birds anytime, anywhere.